Thank you, Daniel. I'm Adrianna Mateo, solo violinist, singer-songwriter, and actress. Just wanted to thank Daniel, the OG, who made the way for other people who play string instruments and do other things. So this first song, it's called Built to Win, and one of the really fun things about this song, I think, is that I just kind of found a spot for there are not so many songs about letting go of something that is ultimately not helping you in your career, and as an empowered woman, I was like, I must write this song. Letting you go shouldn't be this hard. Baby, I know I was built to win. Hitting my flow, leaving you behind was something I needed, not that I wanted, so you know. Ooh, success, a full night's rest in an empty bed. Ooh, success, I'm built to win and my heart's a mess. I'm built to win, but at what cost? Baby, if I win, does it always gotta mean love lost? Baby, I'm hurting, guess I'm still learning, yearning for you. Baby, I'm hurting, guess I'm still learning, I'm built to win, and I lost you. Ooh, I gotta go, I got a show, it's a Saturday night. DBR Lab. Lock my gaze, smile, slay, I'm built to win. Singing my shot, down second thoughts, leaving you behind was something I needed. Ooh, success, a full night's rest in an empty bed. Ooh, success, my heart's a mess. I'm built to win, but at what cost? Baby, if I win, does it always gotta mean love lost? Why is it still hurting? Guess I'm still learning, yearning for you. Baby, I miss you, I wanna kiss you, I'm built to win, and I lost you. Ooh, ready to roll, they're calling me by name. Baby, you've always known I'm built to win. Just 'cause I could, don't mean I should. Leaving you behind was something I needed. Ooh, success, my heart's pounding, but my smile is set. Ooh, success, my smile is set. I'm built to win, at what cost? Does it always gotta mean love lost? Why is it still hurting? Guess I'm still learning, yearning for you. I'm built to win, and I lost you. Thank you. So if you decided to maybe check out my stuff after this show, I just want to let you know I am on the internet, and it's at Adrianna Mateo with 2 N's, 1 T. Otherwise, you're going to find a jazz photographer. If you really wanted to make my day, which would be amazing, if you went on my Instagram and you went on the first link, there's a link tree, and the third link after that is my newsletter, which I only send out once every month. So it's minimum annoying, I promise. The next song is actually from a show that I just finished in February at the Tank, and it's the first time I've ever wrote music for a full production. It was a 90-minute play with music, and it's about pregnancy and childbirth. And it is the most fun and semi-frustrating thing to write a pop song about pregnancy and childbirth, because the language doesn't exist. It's all about I am totally fertile and sexy. And so it was super fun to lock myself in a room, I think, and try and find rhymes with okay, well, what's a cool way to introduce the idea of an epidural, because epidural is a really clunky word in a pop song. We're talking about 2 or 3 syllables, and that's not going to work. And so I came up with this concept of okay, well, a lot of pop music is about this push and pull. So what if we talk about I'm late and I got time? Because if you think about it, anybody who's been through this amazing, massive, crazy experience that actually shifts your bones, like if you would shift your bones, you'd probably call a doctor, which you do, but we don't think of it, right? We would say like, okay, I'm late, I've got time, I want to talk about this thing. So this is Baby, I'm Late and I've Got Time. Once upon a time, we wrapped things up but ever after. Happily, babe, it's story time. It's hot and heavy in the later. Smile, baby, it's not grim. Aesop nor Anderson, reclaiming what's sublime. Baby, I'm late and I got time, right to wake within. Romance and violence, reclaiming what's sublime. Baby, I'm late and I got time. Body center stage, bottled up primal rage. Calm down. Needles in my spine, overthinking, I'm fine. Calm down. Bones shifting for new space. Slow down, slow wait, reclaiming what's sublime. Baby, I'm late and I got elbows inside kicks, hiccups, fingertips, reclaiming what's sublime. Baby, I'm late and I got time. Thank you. So one of the cool things about New York is that you can do all sorts of things. You can do a run of a show about pregnancy and childbirth at the Tank and have a full run. You can play on Broadway. You can work with people who are known for their work with Michael Jackson and John Legend, and I have had the immense privilege of being able to do all of those things, and the song is super special to me. It is meant more as a kind of like studio project. It's meant to be orchestral pop, and I hope you just can enjoy bathing in the sound that comes from these beautiful, amazing, probably very expensive speakers. It's called Skin Hunger, and I don't know if you all remember like the early days of the pandemonium. And one of the things that I remember seeing pop up on my feeds is the concept of skin hunger or touch hunger, because we're all in isolation. And it turns out like babies need a certain amount of touch in order to develop properly. If you don't get enough touch in a certain amount of time, people will actually see, like you can observe people just kind of like brushing up against each other on the street. And I thought that it was just a really cool concept, and I wanted to kind of pull it apart through a personal lens. So this is Skin Hunger. Church bells ain't ringing just yet. Boy, you and me barely met. How do you know more about me than them? We talk of dreams and the stars, long lost love, bruises and scars. Most of me hungers for tingling limbs. Skin hunger, oh comfort of the flesh. Skin hunger, oh craving to confess. Skin hunger, oh heavens breaking in, wash away. I can't stop watching the past. The first first one said and the last, seeing the fall and the falling through. You kiss, I'm going along. You ask me why it feels wrong. My breath stops, but you want me to. Skin hunger, oh comfort of the flesh. Skin hunger, oh craving to confess. Skin hunger, oh heaven's breaking in. I wanna wake up swimming, something more than thought. I wanna wake up gasping, not feeling one heart but. I wanna let you hold me, I wanna fall apart. I wanna let you touch my broken heart. Skin hunger, oh comfort of the flesh. Skin hunger, oh craving to confess. Skin hunger, 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 skin hunger. Wash away, 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 wash away. Thank you. Thank you, DBR, for having me.